Welcome to the iON Manufacturing Solution Overview Training Program. To better understand the use of iON in the manufacturing business, you will be introduced to various managers of JAL Pumps, a leading borewell submersible pump manufacturer. They will lead you through the system and show you how to perform some key transactions. Meet Ajay, Purchase Manager at JAL Pumps, and his assistant Rahul. They will take you through the procure to pay cycle and show you how to do key steps with iON Manufacturing Solution. Ever since JAL Pumps won a large contract for borewell submersible pumps, Ajay has been extremely busy getting purchase requisitions for pump shafts, gaskets, impellers, and ball bearings from various departments and making purchase orders on purchase requisitions which finally get approved. Once the suppliers receive purchase orders, they send goods to Ajay. A purchase order can also be created directly from a purchase quote or a purchase scheduled order. When the goods arrive at the factory gate, the receiver creates a goods inward note or GIN. Thereafter, the material will be sent for a quality check or may be accounted for in the stocks through a goods receipt note or GRN. If at any point Ajay finds the goods to be unsatisfactory, they are returned and a material return document is created, followed by a material return invoice. The first step in procure to pay cycle is raising a purchase requisition. Let us see how Sushant, the production manager in Ajay's office, creates a purchase requisition for 100 G4 gaskets in the iON Manufacturing Solution. To create a purchase requisition, Sushant, the production manager at JAL Pumps, clicks Purchase Requisition from the Procurement tab. On the Search Requisition page, he clicks Create to go to the Purchase Requisition page. Sushant enters all the required data on this page. He then clicks Submit, which will take him to the Search Requisition page. Once all the details have been finalized, he clicks Approve. On approval of the purchase requisition, Ajay, the purchase manager, studies the requisition and appropriately decides on the supplier and converts the purchase requisition into a purchase order. Let us see how to create a purchase order. To create a purchase order, Ajay clicks Purchase Order from the Procurement tab to go to the Search Purchase Order screen. He then clicks the Create from PR button to create the purchase order from the purchase requisition. On the Search Requisition page, he selects the check boxes for the required items and clicks the Create PO button. He can club different purchase requisitions to create a single purchase order. He fills in the required details and clicks the Submit button. Once the details have been finalized, Ajay clicks the Approve button. If it's a scheduled requirement such as ball bearings or shafts that are required every month, Ajay will create a purchase schedule order. Or, if Ajay gets a purchase quote from a supplier, he can also create a purchase order from a purchase quote. iON Manufacturing Solution also empowers Ajay to compare purchase quotes, to analyze and choose the best quote available from multiple suppliers. He can do this by selecting Purchase Quote Compare in the Procurement tab. After the supplier receives the PO, he sends the materials asked for, that is, shaft X5 and gasket G4, to the stores where a goods inward note is created. At this stage, a primary check is done to check if the material is damaged. Damaged goods will be returned and the rest of them will be forwarded to go through a quality check. Convert to GIN converts the purchase order into a goods inward note. This is the upper half of the GIN homepage where the highlighted details need to be filled. This is the lower half of the GIN homepage where the highlighted details need to be filled. Vijay is responsible for the quality check of the raw materials used for production. After checking shaft X5, he was in for a shock. He immediately called up Krishna, the supplier of the pipes. Click on the Continue button to see this conversation. A goods inward note is created at the receiving point for the shafts and gaskets, and a primary check is conducted. Goods that are damaged are rejected in this process. You will now see how to create a quality in GIN form. To create a quality in GIN form, Krishna clicks Goods Inward in the drop-down list from the Quality tab. He then clicks Create on the Search Quality in GIN page. Krishna then enters the various details. After all the details have been entered, he clicks Submit. After the details have been approved, he clicks Approve. The shafts and gaskets which have cleared the quality test are forwarded to the store, after which a goods receipt note is created. You will now see the steps to create a GRN. To create a GRN, Krishna clicks Create from GIN in the Search Goods Receipt Note page. He then clicks the corresponding radio button and clicks Create GRN. Once all the details on the Goods Receipt Note page are finalized, Krishna clicks Submit. On approval of the GRN, the items get added to the inventory. The green channel flag and direct GRN options allow iON Manufacturing Solution users to skip certain steps when there is an urgent requirement for goods. Vijay can skip the quality test by checking the green channel flag on the purchase order screen if there is an urgent requirement and the goods have to be sent for production immediately. Vijay can also create a direct GRN without a purchase order to meet miscellaneous requirements, where the stores are automatically updated. Ajay's assistant Rahul needs to know what to do to the other goods for their factories in Mumbai and Pune. Click the Continue button to see this conversation. On the centralized purchase order page, Rahul has to specify the header site, the sites where he wants the goods to be sent, and has to specify the item code and quantity to create a new centralized purchase order. You saw how the store manager returned the boxes of Shaft X5 to the supplier because they did not match Jal Pump's quality specifications. In the following demo, you will see how Vijay, the store manager, creates a material return document. To create a material return invoice, Vijay first clicks Material Return in the Procurement tab. He then clicks Create to prepare a material return. He selects After GRN Domestic in the Return Type box. Here, Vijay selects the relevant party details and clicks OK. He then selects Reject Location in the Location box. Vijay then enters the item code and clicks Submit. Once all the details have been finalized, Vijay clicks Approve. Vijay then selects Material Return Invoice from the Procurement tab. He then clicks the Create button on the Material Return Invoice page. Vijay then selects the relevant material return and clicks Create Material Return Invoice. He then clicks Submit. Once all the details have been finalized, Vijay clicks Approve. iON Manufacturing Solution enables the user to integrate the finance and accounting system, that is the F&A system, with the manufacturing system, helping to reduce work. Once the GRN is approved, the PO and the GRN numbers are automatically posted to F&A Solution, where the purchase and payment vouchers are created. iON Manufacturing Solution integrates the F&A with the manufacturing system. The F&A screen can be accessed from the F&A button on the web top screen. Purchase voucher can be selected from the Transactions tab under Accounts Payable. iON Manufacturing Solution also allows you to create a single purchase voucher for multiple GRNs. The F&A system enables the users to create payment vouchers as well as material return debit notes easily. Vijay can combine multiple purchase vouchers in a single payment voucher. Payment voucher can be selected from the Transactions tab under Accounts Payable. A payment voucher can be acquired by filling in the necessary details. The system also empowers Vijay to create material return debit note for the material being returned to the vendors.